My name is Aziz and I am a data science tutor from Nigeria. I have helped over 100 students worldwide go from complete beginners to confident data professionals. Whether you want to master Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets for reports, upgrade your PowerPoint slides to stunning Power BI dashboards, learn SQL queries, or use Python for real data analysis, I make everything super simple and practical. My lessons are patient, hands-on, and tailored exactly to your goals. Whether you are preparing for work, university, or just want to surprise your team. If you are ready to turn data into your superpower, I'd love to be your tutor. Book a trial lesson with me today and let's get started. Thank you.